Looking for reliable automotive wire harnesses? Discover the customized solutions for your car lighting systems. Our 9004 molded light pigtail harness offers durability and precision, fitting all your needs perfectly. With nearly 20 years of experience, our team meticulously inspects every motorcycle wire harness for unparalleled reliability. 100% electronic testing ensures each harness meets our stringent quality standards before reaching you. Versatile harnesses for Toyota models, designed with precision and available in various configurations to fit your unique requirements. Our Deutsch DT series wire harnesses come in customizable sizes, ensuring they meet both industrial and automation demands seamlessly. Each crimp section undergoes rigorous inspection to guarantee optimum performance and longevity for every product we deliver. Discover our specialized fuel injection engine ECU conversion wiring harnesses, including CNG/LPG options at competitive prices. Packed and ready for delivery, our harnesses ensure top-tier efficiency and reliability for your automotive systems.